Hey there, this is Veena from Pare, the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel.
Guess what we are making today at Pare? We are making something colorful and dainty and a hot party favorite. We are making layered or ribbon sandwiches Goan style. This is a vegetarian recipe and the sandwiches are finger-licking tasty and absolute crowd pleasers. The best part, you need just a few simple ingredients to make them and they can be put together in a snap. So without further ado, let's jump right into making some delicious triple-decker ribbon sandwiches right away at Pare. Let's start by preparing our 3 easy fillings in 3 attractive colors. For a green filling, we'll use a coriander mint chutney, or you could even use just a plain coriander chutney. If you want to check out my easy recipe for a tasty Goan coriander mint chutney, please click on the link up here or in the description box below. I made this chutney according to that same recipe. For our green filling today, we'll mix around half a cup of the green chutney with 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. You could also use cream cheese instead. Let's whip this well. And set it aside and move on to the orange colored filling. To make this, we'll heat 2 teaspoons of oil. And to it, we'll add a 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 1 1/2 medium-sized sliced carrots. And saute these vegetables on medium heat for around 3 to 4 minutes or till the carrots are cooked. We'll now turn off the heat and let this cool to room temperature. Now that this mix is cold enough, let's transfer it to a grinder jar. And grind it. I've transferred the ground mix to this bowl and then to it we'll add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. Let's mix everything well. You could also add these other ingredients before grinding the carrot mix. In fact, doing this would make it easier to grind the carrots. Let's set this filling aside now and move on to our third filling, a red beetroot filling. Here I have 2 small beetroots that I have boiled and peeled, and a finely sliced small green chili. Let's chop the beetroots. To the beetroots and green chili, we'll add 1 1/2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. I'll grind all of this to a smooth paste and be back. Our third filling too is now ready. Here are the 3 fillings we just made. In addition to these, we'll also need some butter. Okay, now let's start applying the butter and the fillings to these 4 sandwich bread slices I have here and make our ribbon sandwiches. First of all, let's apply some butter on 2 bread slices. The butter we are applying will hold the sandwich slices together and also prevent the sandwich from becoming soggy. Now let's spread the orange filling on one slice. And place the second slice on this one with the buttered side down. Let's press this down lightly. Now let's apply butter to the top of the second slice. And then spread the green filling on it. Next, let's apply butter to one side of the third slice and place it over the other two slices with the buttered side down. Now we'll apply butter to the top of this slice as well and then spread the red filling on it. Finally, we'll apply butter to one side of the fourth slice and place it over the first three slices with the buttered side down. Let's lightly press the layered sandwich down to see that all the bread slices are well sandwiched together. Now using a sharp serrated bread knife, we'll cut out the crust by cutting off all the four edges of the layered sandwich. Like this. Remember to wipe the blade of the knife clean after each cut to ensure you get clean cuts without any smudges of the colored fillings spoiling the appearance of the sandwiches. Now let's make two diagonal cuts across the sandwich to get 4 smaller triangular sandwiches, like this. Instead of triangle-shaped sandwiches, you could also make 2 parallel cuts on the layered sandwich and make 3 narrow rectangular ribbon sandwiches, like this. These pretty and colorful sandwiches are best served and enjoyed cold. So after arranging them on a tray or plate, you could cover them with some plastic wrap and refrigerate them till you're ready to serve them.
These beauties are a fun snacking option, and as you've just seen, super easy to make. So whether you're hosting a party or just want to make a delicious snack for your family, do make these amazingly tasty ribbon sandwiches. I guarantee everyone will love them. Want to see more videos like this? Then do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Until we meet again, happy cooking!